close! Okay, so we're off to Forest for a nice little walk. It was raining in Stockport and now we're here, it's nice and sunny, so hopefully I can see your hand behind you, Dave. Dave's with us, so we'll have fun. So we've bribed the children to come with us, at the McDonald's of course. It's bad, it's so bad, but if you've got kids you understand. So off we go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
That the sky is blue.
It sound right, boys.
Oh. So we've parked somewhere random, actually don't know where we are, somewhere in Macclesfield Forest. Ooh. And we're just going to go for a little mooch. It's really nice and the air's nice and clean because of all the trees here. There's loads of walks around Macclesfield Forest. Just kind of park up and go for a wander.
Out there, this is what dead trees get. Don't tell me not to hit trees. Oh, you're getting cones.
Are we having a cone fight?
Yeah.
You hit me on the head, swear, Dave. Oof, that was close! Squirrels. There you go, do you feel better now, Dave? Oh my goodness.
see another one down there.
No way. Saw a deer, which was lovely. I don't know if I got any of the camera footage. It's not a great camera, I just used my phone, so it would be nice to have one that had a really good zoom and I could get it, but never mind. And then I always try and remember to put the camera down and then just experience it. But it was lovely. Yeah, lovely to see a wild deer. So we're lost now. But that's okay. I'm sure we'll find our way back.
Hot diggity dang!
When we wash up, we always use environmentally friendly washing up liquid because we haven't got a waste tank, so we make sure it goes in the bushes and all it is water and environmentally friendly washing up liquid. Top tip. See that every day, so we've seen a deer today. I am. I don't want to get run over. Look at the old lamps, look, the oil lamps, I'm guessing. You can feel the heat. So Dave just said that the steam engine, if it runs out of water, is essentially a bomb. So we had a good look at that. It's not often you see that.
Yeah, I didn't know you bum.
Like, what if...
So I've got a new gimbal, guys.
Gimbal guys.
And I'm just deciding whether it's actually worth it or not. Whether it's worth learning how to use it, because it seems like a bit of a faff, to be honest. So let me know in the comments if you think gimbals are worth it if you've done any filming.
Would you take a gamble on a gimbal?
On a gimbal. Are you even recording? You are.
Ow! Mom, I've squashed your face!